class 10B JVM Shamli School. Today I am going to represent a model on automatic irrigation system with temperature monitoring in LCD screen. As we all know, India is an agrarian country and agriculture plays a very important role in our country. So this will help the farmer to irrigate a large land. So let's see which components I have used here. I have used 11.1 volt battery to supply the for power module as power module, and Arduino board and a motor driver and LCD screen to display the temperature and the state of the motor and soil. I have used breadboard to join all the connections and a DHT11 sensor to measure the atmospheric temperature, and a soil sensor to test the type of the soil, which is dry or wet, and a motor, a DC motor to regulate the temperature of the soil. And here I have used a DC pump to pump water in the field. So let's now see the working of the field. First I will switch on the circuit from here, and it will show advanced irrigation system developed by Spurs class 10B, and now it will show the current temperature, it will also show fan is off and a pump is off. As I will put this soil sensor in dry soil, it will pump water into the field. And when I will put this soil sensor in wet soil, it will stop pumping water. Now let's see the working of the temperature regulator fan. Here I will use a dryer to increase the temperature of the atmosphere. As the temperature increases above 35 degrees Celsius, the fan will be switched on, and when the temperature will decrease at 34 degrees Celsius, the fan will switch off. It will take a little bit time to switch off. Thank you.